Hey creators, we created this website in the last video, and this is a complete tour and travel solution website. Let us assume I wish to embed some external data in this website on a page or on a post wherever I need. So it can be like external YouTube video or the PDF file or the social media content or something like that. What can be the best solution? What is free solution? Which is the free plugin that I can use? Okay, so I got the solution which is the easiest all-in-one embedding solution to fuel up Elementor and Gutenberg and even more. So this is a plugin EmbedPress, which is a very popular plugin for embedding data at your WordPress website. You can embed the PDF, YouTube video, 3D flipbook, social feeds, and much more. So you can see all these lists. And EmbedPress, embed from unlimited sources. In fact, 150 sources you can use for embedding the content, and you can easily embed all the contents at your WordPress website in single clicks or very easily. And this is, of course, a free plugin, and pro version is also available just in case if you want advanced feature. Watch this video, and I'm going to add the link of this plugin where you can download from the or WordPress org itself. And I'm going to show you very quickly how it works simply, and you can even explore at your own. So let us install this plugin, add new plugin, and I'll also show you the pro version of this plugin so that you might get an idea what is the difference that you can use. So EmbedPress, I can simply search it here, and it is here. Okay, and it has got a very good number of installation as of now. The compatible with the latest version, regularly being updated. WP developer are the original developers, so we can check back WP developer. Okay, right. Now let us install this plugin, activate it. Once it gets installed, you have now a free plan here. So it is hub, and you can go for settings and all. So most popular content types you can use PDF, Google Docs, and Google Slides, and YouTube videos, Facebook, Google Photos, and all. And we have some settings like what exactly we want to do. The global embed iframe you can set here. So the size of iframe where the embedding is going to take place. Embed iframe width, and you can set the lazy load. This is a pro feature, PDF, color, and all. Short codes you can check here. So EmbedPress has a direct integration with classic Gutenberg Elementor editor, but for other pages editor, you can use the shortcodes area. So you can generate a shortcode, place your link here to generate a shortcode. So you can simply generate the link, and you can use the shortcode once you want to embed. And you can have the documentation how it really works, how you can go for this. Like I just placed a YouTube video link and clicked on generate, and now I can copy this link to use it as shortcode. Like so, we can even set the sources that we want to use, and here are the sources, list of sources, and just in case you want to integrate, like if you want to integrate the Instagram content, so you can go on the settings and you can connect your Instagram account directly here, and you can get the data, you can pull the data. Like there are many sources, YouTube Live, YouTube itself, so you can go for settings, you can connect your YouTube, like you can use your YouTube API key for direct integration. However, you can generate the links, and you can paste the link to embed a single video or some videos. But if you are willing to have a direct integration, you can go for direct integration through the UPI API key, and the video per page you can set here, the start time, end time, and all these settings can be availed easily here. And I can very quickly show you all these things what you can do. So there is a huge list of data sources, 150 plus, I believe. Yes. And okay, so in the next you can set the audio sources, so where from where you want to use the audio, like SoundCloud or Spotify is very popular. Video sources, you can decide the image sources you can set here. And for direct integration, all the integration possible integration buttons are here. Further, we have the Google sources and the Microsoft sources like MS Word or XLS if you want to integrate. Live streaming option is also here like YouTube Live or the Polari share. Further, we have element settings. So whether we want to use at Gutenberg, like if you are using the Gutenberg editor for your website, so you can directly enable or disable the things here. So it is good idea to keep disable all those things that you are not using on the Gutenberg editor especially. So it is very easy and easy to customize. Uh, Further, we have some branding option what we can use in the pro version. So Power by EmbedPress, so by default it is on. And if we want to have a custom logo for YouTube or Vimeo or Vista, so it is all available in the pro version. And the custom ads in case if you want to use, so you can go for the pro version, right? And for embedding the content like on a page, so I'll add a new page, and it is Elementor based website, so Gutenberg can also be here. So in case if you want to use on the Gutenberg, it is here, embeds are here, so you can use the embeds here. So the options you can always select here directly, like Google Docs, you can embed Google Calendars, and you have all the options for using on Gutenberg. Similarly, when you are using Elementor as a page builder, you can go for Elementor options like edit with Elementor option, and you can embed the content from where you want, right? So like this can be option. And further we have widgets here, so basic, pro, and things are here like general options, link pro, and this is the EmbedPress. So you can directly choose what you want to integrate and drag and drop. So it is simply here. So you can choose the options what you want to embed. So it is very easy to use, of course. And now I'm going to show you the pro features. Of course, pro features I have uh, already shown you in the list of controls, but yes, when you are installing the pro version, you'll get all the access here. Okay, so now I have installed the EmbedPress Pro version, and now it is working with EmbedPress Core version. So let us come back to this screen and upgrade to Pro. Now I'm going to refresh these options. So it is all open now. So we can have the Pro version if it is actually required. However, now the custom logo area is enabled. Now I can go for custom logo when I am embedding the YouTube or uh, Vimeo or like that. So whatever was restricted in the free version, after installing the pro version, it is all open. So it is very simple. So this is the best plugin I feel for embedding any content to your WordPress website, and it is recommended to go with the free version first of all. When you are willing to embed the basic things, all the things that you can embed. So there are data sources are not restricted. You can embed anything using this plugin, free version of plugin. When you want to have the pro version or features available with the pro version, go for the pro. So I am going to add all the links in the video description. Start using this and watch these videos as well, because it is coming from the plugin developer. They are explaining the things well. My objective is to let you know this is going to be the best option when you are targeting any embed at your WordPress website. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.